Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co., a leader in metal distribution and value-added processing. In the highly competitive global metals industry, few companies have established a reputation as strong and enduring as Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co. As one of the largest metal service center companies in North America, Reliance Steel and Aluminum has built its success on a combination of strategic acquisitions, exceptional customer service, extensive product offerings, and value-added processing capabilities. Over the decades, the company has evolved from a regional steel distributor into a diversified metals solutions provider serving thousands of customers across multiple industries. Today, Reliance Steel and Aluminum plays a critical role in supporting manufacturing, construction, aerospace, transportation, energy, and industrial sectors. Its vast network of service centers, processing facilities, and distribution operations allows the company to deliver customized metal solutions efficiently and reliably. Company history and background. Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co. was founded in 1939 in Los Angeles, California. Initially established as a small steel reinforcement bar distributor serving the construction industry, the company gradually expanded its operations and product portfolio to meet growing market demand. Over the years, Reliance pursued an aggressive growth strategy based on acquisitions and operational excellence. Through the acquisition of numerous independent metal service centers across North America, the company significantly expanded its geographic presence and product capabilities. A major milestone occurred in 1994 when Reliance became a publicly traded company. The move provided additional capital to support further acquisitions and infrastructure investments. Since then, the company has completed dozens of acquisitions, transforming itself into one of the largest metal distribution organizations in the world. Today, Reliance Steel and Aluminum operates hundreds of facilities throughout the United States and several international locations, employing thousands of professionals dedicated to delivering high-quality metal products and services. Business model and core operations. Unlike traditional steel manufacturers that primarily produce raw steel, Reliance Steel and Aluminum focuses on metal distribution, processing, and value-added services. The company's business model revolves around purchasing metal products from leading mills and manufacturers, and then processing, customizing, and distributing those materials according to customer specifications. This approach allows Reliance to offer customers a broad range of products without the enormous capital investment required to operate steelmaking facilities. The company serves a diverse customer base that includes manufacturing companies, aerospace suppliers, construction contractors, energy producers, transportation equipment manufacturers, semiconductor equipment producers, defense contractors, industrial fabricators. By serving multiple industries, Reliance reduces its exposure to economic fluctuations affecting any single market segment. Extensive product portfolio. One of Reliance Steel and Aluminum's greatest strengths is the breadth of its product offerings. The company distributes a comprehensive range of metals, including carbon steel. Carbon steel remains one of the company's most important product categories. These materials are widely used in construction, machinery manufacturing, industrial equipment, and infrastructure projects. Products include steel plates, structural beams, steel bars, tubing, pipes, sheet and coil products, stainless steel. Reliance supplies a wide variety of stainless steel products known for their corrosion resistance and durability. Applications include food processing equipment, medical devices, chemical processing systems, architectural structures, marine applications, aluminum products. Aluminum is increasingly important in modern industries due to its lightweight characteristics and excellent corrosion resistance. The company provides aluminum sheets, plates, bars, tubes, extrusions. These products serve aerospace, transportation, electronics, and construction sectors. Specialty metals. Reliance also distributes high-performance specialty metals, including titanium, nickel alloys, copper alloys, brass, bronze, exotic aerospace alloys. These advanced materials are essential for demanding applications where strength, heat resistance, and durability are critical. Value-added processing services. A key competitive advantage for Reliance Steel and Aluminum is its extensive processing capabilities. Rather than simply shipping raw materials, the company offers numerous value-added services, including cutting and sawing. Precision cutting enables customers to receive materials in exact dimensions, reducing waste and manufacturing costs. Laser and plasma cutting. Advanced cutting technologies allow the production of highly accurate components used in industrial and aerospace applications. Machining. Reliance provides machining services that prepare metal products for direct integration into manufacturing processes. Forming and fabrication. The company offers various shaping and fabrication services to meet specialized customer requirements. Inventory management. Many customers benefit from inventory management programs that improve supply chain efficiency and reduce storage costs. These value-added services help Reliance establish long-term customer relationships while generating higher profit margins. Aerospace industry leadership. Reliance Steel and Aluminum has become a major supplier to the aerospace industry, one of the most demanding sectors in terms of quality and performance standards. Aerospace customers require materials that meet strict specifications for strength, weight reduction, corrosion resistance, reliability, regulatory compliance. Through several strategic acquisitions, Reliance has expanded its aerospace capabilities and now supplies critical materials used in commercial aircraft, military aircraft, space systems, helicopters, aircraft engines. The aerospace segment remains one of the company's most valuable and technologically advanced business areas. Acquisition-driven growth strategy. One of the defining characteristics of Reliance Steel and Aluminum is its successful acquisition strategy. Instead of relying solely on organic growth, the company has consistently acquired well-managed metal service centers that complement its existing operations. Benefits of this strategy include expanded geographic coverage, increased product diversity, access to new customer markets, enhanced processing capabilities, economies of scale. Importantly, Reliance typically allows acquired companies to maintain operational autonomy while benefiting from the financial strength and resources of the larger organization. This decentralized management model has been a key contributor to the company's long-term success. Financial strength and market position. Reliance Steel and Aluminum is widely recognized as one of the most financially stable companies in the metals sector. Several factors contribute to its financial strength. Diversified customer base, broad product portfolio, strong cash flow generation, conservative financial management, consistent profitability. The company has demonstrated resilience during economic downturns by maintaining operational flexibility and disciplined cost control. Its strong balance sheet allows Reliance to continue investing in growth opportunities, technology upgrades, and strategic acquisitions even during challenging market conditions. Commitment to sustainability. Environmental responsibility has become increasingly important across the metals industry. Reliance Steel and Aluminum supports sustainability initiatives through efficient inventory management, recycling programs, energy conservation efforts, waste reduction strategies, Responsible sourcing practices. Because much of the company's business involves metal processing and distribution rather than primary metal production, its environmental footprint is generally lower than that of traditional steelmaking operations. The company continues to explore opportunities for improving environmental performance while helping customers meet their own sustainability objectives. Technological innovation. Technology plays a critical role in Reliance's operations. The company invests heavily in digital inventory management systems, automated processing equipment, advanced logistics solutions, supply chain optimization tools, customer relationship management systems. These technologies improve operational efficiency, increase accuracy, reduce lead times, and enhance customer satisfaction. As industries increasingly demand customized metal solutions, technology will remain a major driver of Reliance's competitive advantage. Future outlook. The long-term outlook for Reliance Steel and Aluminum remains highly promising. Several trends support future growth. Expansion of infrastructure projects, increased aerospace production, growth in renewable energy investments, rising demand for advanced manufacturing materials, continued industrial modernization. The company's diversified business model positions it well to benefit from these opportunities while minimizing exposure to sector-specific risks. Furthermore, Reliance's proven acquisition strategy provides additional avenues for expansion in both domestic and international markets. Conclusion. Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co. stands as one of North America's most successful and respected metal service center companies. Through decades of strategic acquisitions, operational excellence, customer-focused service, and extensive value-added processing capabilities, the company has built a leadership position within the global metals distribution industry. Its broad product portfolio, strong presence across multiple industries, financial stability, and commitment to innovation continue to distinguish it from competitors. As manufacturing, aerospace, infrastructure, and advanced technology sectors expand in the coming years, Reliance Steel and Aluminum is well positioned to remain a vital partner for businesses requiring high-quality metal products and customized processing solutions. With a history spanning more than 8 decades, Reliance Steel and Aluminum exemplifies how strategic growth, customer service, and operational excellence can transform a regional distributor into an industry leader recognized throughout North America and beyond.